Oh, I'm recording. Oopsies.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places on the face.
We are here at Universal Studios. Today we're going to Islands of Adventure. We only have one day here, but that's the park we decided we wanted to see. And it's both of our first times here, so it'll be really exciting.
Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you.
We're at Jurassic Park.
Look at that. What if a dinosaur pops out? What are you gonna do?
Run.
You think you can outrun a dinosaur?
Well, if it's a slow one, yeah.
We have only been here for like half an hour maybe, and there's so much to do, so much to look at. We're so excited. The fast passes here are really expensive, but we got the one that starts working after 4 o'clock, which still gives us like 6 hours to do everything, and that one was like $140 cheaper, so that's what we decided to do. Until then, we are going to Harry Potter World.
Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving in the spaces we call love.
Victoria, go ahead.
Fade away.
First time trying butterbeer.
Do you like it? You heard it here, folks. She didn't like it.
It's okay.
It's okay. Out of 10?
It's not what I was expecting.
Oh.
It's not that cold either.
Okay, my turn, my turn, my turn.
Here we go.
Pretty good.
Oh.
Never wake up feeling like we're living day to day. We should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and march ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. 'Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the days looking for
We are at Kennedy Space Center today. I didn't even know this was a thing, so that's kind of cool and exciting.
and grin and bear. It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you still okay. Baby, shine through and come. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you.
We are at a beach. I don't know what it's called, but it's really nice.
St. Petersburg
Oh.
Beach.
Yeah. You can't find this in Canada.
Yeah.
It's December. Oh, it's January 1st. Happy New Year.
Yeah.
And we are on a beach. Wow. A good way to start off the new year.
Here, I'll show you guys. So here's the beach, you guys. Here's Victoria.
Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart.
Ready? We'll both dunk at the same time.
We're not dunking.
Why?
Cold above you.
Together. Promise.
1, 2.
You're not gonna do it.
How do you know?
Because I know you. Ready? At the same time. I promise. I promise. Why are you only holding me down? He's trying to drown me. Come on. This isn't bad. Once you get under, it's not bad. You just have to... What is my nose? Okay, ready? We're gonna dunk. 1, 2, 3. That wasn't bad. We did it, vlog. Now time to get out.
Now we have fun.
Ow, I hurt my foot. It's January and we're swimming outdoors. Ooh. I'm floating. I'm floating. Hopefully that worked.